2 minuto na lang po at alas 7 na ng umaga. Kausapin natin sa pamamagitan ng telepono si Mayor Janice Digamo ng Pamplona, Negros Oriental. Siya po yung byuda ni Governor Ruel Digamo ng Negros Oriental. Mayor, magandang umaga po sa inyo. Si Katunying po ito.
Yes, Katunying, good morning po.
Oo, pasensya na at nang abala kami sa inyo ng masyadong maaga. Pero gusto lang po kasi naming malaman kung nakarating na po sa inyo ang impormasyon na ang kahilingan ng pamahalaan na ma-extradite si former Congressman Arnie Teves ay ibinasura ng husgado ng Timor-Leste.
Yes po. Yes po. Kahapon po, it's all over the news po yesterday.
Opo, ano po ang naging reaksyon ng pamilya?
Of course, we are all saddened by the news, no? Parang na-confirm yung unang mga duda namin ever since. Kasi nung nag-decide sila favorably, we thought he will really be brought home. And then came the appeal. Nag-apila sila. Tapos parang naging endless appeals ang nangyari.
Yeah.
Tapos nangyari yung kay Alice Go. Alice Go was immediately brought back to the country. Galing Indonesia. But meron na talagang nag-doubt kami kasi kahit naman favorable sa atin pero ayaw pa rin ayaw iuwi. Palaging pwedeng mag-appeal. Yun yung last na ko, sabi ko ano ba yan? Walang Supreme Court pero pwede na naman i-appeal.
Oo, parang unli appeal.
Yes, unli appeal pero nang biglang there was a turn of events. Yun na naalala ko last time bago ito. Hindi na lang nga ako nag-post sabi ko wala rin yata kasi kahit mag-favor yan sa atin hindi naman nila to turn over. Parang there's unlimited appeal and endless appeals. Kaya makukumpit mo the Alice Go capture in Indonesia, talagang Alice Go was given back to the country right away. Walang maraming
Oo. Pero ano po yung nabanggit nyo kanina na parang na-confirm yung inyong duda. Bakit? Ano po ba yung information that was given to your attention po?
The fact that yung hindi sila consistent doon sa kanilang, yun nga, favorable to us but they never give him up. Makukumpara mo sa iba
Yeah, what I'm saying po is meron ba kayong mga iba pang impormasyon ba't ganun siya o ba't ganun ang trato sa kanya?
Of course, yung iba sinasabi talaga nung una na baka kasi yung Timor is also a country na corrupt, parang ganun. Nung una, sinabi ko pa nga, very grateful tayo because our neighbor will not tolerate such an act. Tapos biglang yun nung una na pumanig sa atin at kala namin talaga yun na yun iuwi na tapos nag-apila. Tapos favorable pa rin sa atin tapos nag-apila ulit. Kaya nga nung huli sabi nila hindi na yan pwedeng mag-apila kasi wala naman silang Supreme Court parang ganun. Ewan ko. Pero parang ganun pa rin. Kaya nung sabi ko, it is always favorable to us but he was never home. How come Indonesia napauwi kaagad si Go, tinurn over kaagad? So, rin, if you can still remember, Katunying, when I was at the Senate during a Senate hearing, I really warned everyone there na talagang pag no one is watching, if we will not be watchful, will really crawl to all angles and I think this is what's happening now.
So ang sinasabi nyo ngayon gumana ang
baka po pwede nyo kaming tulungang i-confirm pero merong mga sabi-sabi na he is now closely working with someone in Timor na anak ng very high-ranking official there. Introducing, I think, all the gambling things here na dinala din doon.
Wow. So ang gambling activities na i-export ang reports ang nakarating sa inyo na nadala doon ni Teves in connivance with With a powerful person there?
Son of someone very powerful po there.
Mhm.
Kasi, alam mo po, ano yan, sir, nung nangyari yung killings in Negros Oriental, the news will never get out of Negros Oriental because not that everyone is paid, but everyone choose not to discuss these things because natatakot sila sa family nila.
Mm-mm.
Yung kaya niyang gawin dito, yun nga if there is something you can do somewhere, you can do that everywhere.
Mhm.
I think baka ang nakakatakot baka ganun na yan ngayon
Mhm.
ang doon na.
Medyo kung po yun medyo nakakabahala po yun. Pero are you in contact with the Department of Justice po?
Recently yung may mga I think just last night after Remulla's kaya kinutuban din ako because there's this interview of SOJ Remulla yesterday na they're saying na openly na baka there's corruption thing happening. Sabi ko, this is not good sign. Baka ito yung kinakatakutan natin na baka finally sabihin at indeed kahapon ng hapon lumabas na yung ano.
Akalain nyo, this happened parang second anniversary nung nangyari kay Governor Ruel, no?
Yes, just last March 4 po, nag-second anniversary kami.
Mm-mm.
Tapos while the case is also progressing, kasi yung mga namaril, nag-hearing talaga kami every month
Oo.
Nag-apply ng bail hearing yung si Miranda, nag-attend kami sa hearing, yung lawyers namin, we ask them to be there if we cannot go.
Mm-mm.
Kaya masakit din po na tapos ganyan all of a sudden.
Mm-mm. Sa report niyo, nung po, habang nagta-trial po, naka-appeal po ba siya, si Arnie Teves po ba nakakulong o saan nakatira? Ano ba ang report sa inyo?
Yung last na alam namin, naka-house arrest.
House arrest? Mhm.
But the story from people here who went there, iba-iba. Hindi naman kasi parang gano'n, nag-golf lang dun parang gano'n daw.
Mm-mm.
Kaya nga, we really want him back because easier for us to see kung nasaan yan dito
Mm-mm. Ano po ang message nyo?
Saka nagpa-progress na yung trial, hindi pa pwedeng siyang itry because he is not here. Dapat nandito. Babalik na naman kami kung sakaling dumating siya, babalik na naman at isasali siya. And we are also running after time and desire so much that he's brought home.
Oo. Hindi natin alam kung ano pang next move ng gobyerno at ano po ang gusto niyo sabihin sa DOJ that is in charge dito po sa effort to extradite.
Sana, meron pa kaming isa na naka-file, Katunying. Ito din gusto ko itong i-emphasize kasi we have been silent for so long. We have been waiting for the filing of the case. Yung kasi government ang magfa-file nito, yung nakuha sa tulog. In-excavate yung sugar mill, doon nakuha yung mga guns and ammunitions and mga IEDs na doon nakabak. Tapos ang tagal hindi final. And then there was a time I went to Project Dong, parang may sinasabi sila na hinihintay pa ito. And then there's also another reason na there was a confusion na na-file na pero hindi pa pala. Up to the point talaga that I told, along with another family of the victim, we told Project Dong na, Project, sana naintindihan mo makulit kami pero talagang hindi fair pag hindi yan na-file. Kasi ang dami rin naghihintay sa amin na that has to be filed. Pero parang sinabi ni Prosec na na parang malabo, ganito, ganyan. And then, nag-request kami ng case conference. And later on, after the case conference, na everyone agreed, CIDG, tapos dito rin sa DOJ, na mag-case conference and then someone will build up the case. And then when it's in the middle of case build-up, tinawagan ako, sabi, Mayor, hindi nga lang tayo hindi lang ah, firearms and explosives, illegal possession ang mag-file dito. Nakikita nila na we can even file murder case. Kaya bigla akong
Sa ngayon, kumusta po bang Negros ngayon? Are you running for re-election ho ba?
I'm running for Congress in the 3rd District.
3rd District. Opo. Sino po kalaban nyo dyan?
Auntie nila, yung aunt nila. Na
Teves
babae din.
Teves.
Janice din. Janice Teves.
Janice ang pangalan din?
Janice pa rin.
Pambihir. Napaka mapaglaro talaga ng tadhana. Sa governor po, sino tumatakbo dyan?
Sa governor, yung incumbent governor, si Governor Sagarbaria against Henry. Pero yun po sana katunging, this is also an opportunity na help us make a follow-up. Because nasa C20 na they have this department circular order ng DOJ for a case to be filed against Henry. We were hoping na sana na pero yun nga, parang ito is another example of powers that be and money. Kasi ang hintay na lang one more affidavit coming from 2 people, I think, who opted to go out of the country or timing lang na they went out of the country. At that time, pinapasign sa kanila yung affidavit. Baka mata-thank you na naman ito. Kasi at the onset, parang ayaw i-file ito bigla na ready to file na, magiging example na talaga yan na talagang pag marami kang pera talaga, patayin mo na lahat. Wala.
Sabi nito si Attorney Topacio pala in relation to the decision of the Court of Appeals ng Timor-Leste, this is a triumph of the rule of law.
Anong ibig niyong sabihin? Pag favorable sa kanila, palaging yung law gumagana, pero pag hindi, talagang it is discouraging, but alam namin ang nangyaring totoo Alam ng marami yung totoo, kaya ayaw rin naming ma-discourage.
Mayor, maraming salamat po sa oras. Magandang umaga po at good luck po sa inyo.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Si Mayor Janice Digamo, she is running for Congress pala. Diyan po sa isang distrito sa Negros Oriental. So